In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sync your Instagram and Facebook accounts. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin on your Instagram profile. Click the three lines on the top right corner and click on Settings and Privacy. At the very top, you will have, if your Instagram is fully updated, Accounts Center. Now, as you can see, I have already added my two Instagram accounts. If I wanted to add my Facebook account, I can do that here. Now, if you want to sync up your profiles, it is the same with two Instagram accounts as it is for Instagram and Facebook accounts. So, if I wanted to sync up this profile, I would click on the profile, click on the Instagram at the bottom, and check Sync Profile Info. Now, since I'm not going to be doing that right now, I'm also given the option to add more accounts to the actual sync. I can add a Facebook account, and then I can add a different Facebook account, and then I will be able to sync them as well. And that's really all there is to it. All you have to do is sync the accounts once they're added, and that is it. Anyways, guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.